Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio with the channel you want to edit. Once signed in, open the content page and pick the video draft or published file you will add audio to. Make sure your audio file is an MP3, WAV, or AAC format and check length, trim or fade to match the video. Rename files so you can find them quickly. Now, click Edit to open the video editor. This moves you into the next step where you import audio. You upload the audio inside Editor, choosing Audio then Upload and selecting your prepared file. Once uploaded, drag the track onto the timeline and zoom in to align it with key visual cues or spoken words. Precise placement avoids lip sync issues. Use the split tool to cut out pauses, then trim ends so music doesn't outlast the scene. Adjust clip volume and fades. Lower background music under dialogue so viewers can hear both clearly. And you preview the whole video. Watch and listen through to confirm sync, levels, and fades. Once satisfied, click Save or Export to publish the updated version. Make sure to add attribution or claim any licensed music if required. If you notice audio drift or sync problems after export, clear your browser cache, re-import the files, realign the track, and export again. If copyright blocks occur, replace the track or dispute only when you own the rights. This fixes most common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.